For many Coloradans, the snow felt like it would never come. There were record-breaking highs all the way into November.
We had just had a really warm half year, basically June through November. Was one of the highest on record. It was also one of the driest. And with La Nina, we often do get these cold snaps.
La Nina. That explains why we went from this to this. La Nina brings in cooler than normal temperatures. And here in Boulder, your heating bills will go up.
Well, I hope by now you all have your winter tires on. You should expect a bigger heating bill this winter than last winter.
It is the kind of cold that takes your breath away when you step outside. And as for the snow,
La Nina changes the position of the winter jet stream, ultimately deciding where the heaviest snow will fall. And this La Nina is bringing the snow to some of our local mountains.
In a La Nina, what we're going to have, instead of these big systems coming out of the southwest, we'll have short waves clipping out of us out of the northwest. And so we'll have colder weather, and areas like Steamboat, the Central Mountains, Copper Mountain Vale, Aspen, those areas will see preferred snowfall.
But here in Boulder, don't expect classes to be canceled by a snow day anytime soon.
For Boulder to get really good snowfall, we like to have an upslope. We like to have the wind coming out of the east, pushing the moisture up against the mountains. This La Nina pattern does not generally favor that type of a system. Generally what happens in a La Nina is the lows will travel to the north of us, and we get these little clips of short waves hitting our mountains.
Even though Boulder is predicted to have less snow, La Nina's cold temperatures can still create dangerous conditions. Make sure you have a good winter coat, some chains for your tires, and to always stay prepared for Colorado's crazy bipolar weather. Lauren Sorge, News Team Boulder.